Okay, 4Tower40 sickle. I put my rifleman up here, my hellfires here. Now my hellfires have 7 hellfires. Those are, I think, level 8 hellfires. Finish it out with a rifleman. Some folks like to put a big tank in there to soak up the damage from the snipers. My tanks aren't big enough to really do that, and you can only put 5 hellfires in a platoon then, and so it takes longer to do the same amount of damage. So for me, if I just run 7 hellfires, I'm going to lose 1 or 2, but I do more damage in less time. So, you know, it's a trade-off. You'll figure it out. And my buggies for baiting the tanks, and this is another plot of hellfires. Everything will be attacked from down here, pretty much. Alright. Towers is important because they have no stingers, so you can get your air in to open the thing up. You can't, you know, if they've got 4 bunkers, they don't have stingers, but bunkers get bonus damage against ground, so you get your hellfires chewed up pretty quick. But they do have snipers in there, and they just increased the number, doubled, and in fact, the number of snipers in the towers. So instead of 2 snipers, you got 4 snipers in the towers. So you really got to watch how you approach things, or you'll lose your stuff in a hurry. Alright. Get my air in position. I'll come toward the corner with my things. As soon as that mega starts moving, get them out of there before that happens. Wide berth to the tower because of the snipers. Now again, once that mega starts moving, you want to get your buggies out of there. While we're here, we're going to take out this laser. Nope, we're not. We're going to get out of here. See that flak tank coming? We're going to end the thing, get out of here. I got too close, that's what happened. Alright, we'll go in from the other side. Now, after I had killed this laser, the reason I killed this laser first is because if eventually you're going to come in here and you're going to have to kill this laser before you get close enough to kill that tower with your hellfires. But when you are close enough to kill this laser, the snipers can target your hellfires. So if you have it out of there now by air, you won't have to worry about getting your hellfires killed later. So, but once I had done that, I would have retreated my buggies. We're done with the buggies. Once you kill that mega tank, the buggies are done. Just go ahead and send them back out. Then we would have moved up to this corner anyway. And we're going to bring in our riflemen from that side. Get them on the map there. Now, that flak tank that surprised us is what we're baiting here. You see, so there they sit. And We're going to get close enough to bait out the flak tanks, and then we're going to back out and bring our rifleman in. And as soon as that flak tank gets about here, we're going to send the rifleman after it. The riflemen in turn are going to bait after they kill this, they're going to bait this mega. There comes the mega. And I missed this thing with my... Alright. So much for targeting. Alright. Bring your air in, kill those, and as soon as that mega's half dead, go ahead and retreat your rifleman. Normally you can do it without a scratch. You come in, by the time they get over there, the flak tank's just clearing the wall, it kills the flak tank, baits the mega, you get it back, you bring your air in, you never lose a rifleman. Okay, at this point, we're going to take our air, and we're going to kill this gun and this gun. The reason we're doing that is so that the Hellfires can get to this tower and do the most damage the quickest. If you're getting, one extra Hellfire in per barrage or every 3 barrages, that's a significant amount of damage in much less time. And that it ends up being less Hellfires killed. Go ahead and retreat. And bring in our Hellfires. If there were 2 snipers in here like there used to be, I could, take up 2 shots and move my Hellfires in a significant amount of distance before the snipers pick them up. It allows me to get an extra barrage or 2 in. But with these having extra snipers, it doesn't matter. So you're going to take a few lumps here. Let's go right for the tower. It should only cost you 1.5 Hellfires, maybe only 1. Get him. Alright, now go ahead and take out this gun. Now you want to be careful, there's mines here in front of this opening. There's also a mine right down in here in front of these trees. So when we get ready to come in this side, we're going to stay on the left side of this wall. We're going to make an opening here to stay away from this mine. Now we're going to kill this. Now we're going to kill this laser. Now, because of this, because of these flak tanks and these gats, there's no way we're going to get in here in this turret. There's no way we're going to get in here to kill this cryo, so we're going to have to take it out with a Hellfire. We're going to get scratched up. But we've got all 7 Hellfires left. So it should be pretty quick. Alright, now, I'm just going to go ahead and hit this laser. Now go ahead and get this Hellfire up here out of the way. I don't know what level it is, but I outrange it so I can do this without getting shot up. And watch for these things blowing up on,
That's about 240. We're going to go put 150 in the bank.
Alright, somebody came in. What I was saying is if that splash damage kills that thing or the other, then the problem you're going to have is mortar teams coming out. And that's exactly what happened when I turned around. It wasn't looking. Alright, riflemen are done. Buggy's done. Alright, that splash damage here add up. The mortar teams came out, and if I hadn't seen them in time to get out of there, they had killed my platoon. Scorpion. Oh. Alright. Now, again, mines up here, mines right down here. So we're going to take this half of the wall here. And that's what we're going to open up.
You want anything?
Alright, we need to open this up enough to get our platoons through, or else the Hellfires will tend to want to go around. They'll run right into the mines. Alright, now we still need to target them toward the opening, because if you just go right for this laser, they're going to do goofy things and get blown up. So we target them right here, but when they get close, then you want to go ahead and target the laser so that they'll fire at maximum range. Now we're getting shot, so we want to get this laser out of there quick and then move right to the tower. Okay. And see, this one's trying to go around. There we go. Now, if we get below 5, go ahead and end. But we're doing well here, so we're okay. We just lost the first Hellfire. We're going to be fine. But normally, if you get below 5, then I go ahead and just end it, because there's no sense. You're not going to do enough damage to justify the whole thing. Now get this power plant. Get this, because all this stuff will die with splash damage, and you don't want it. You don't want mortar teams popping out unexpectedly. All right, now we're going to kill this. We got to get our aircraft back involved here. All right, took out the flak tank, damaged the cryo. There's no sense in trying to come up here and beat this cryo. You're not going to get... These plasmas will outrange the Hellfires. So that's why we want our Hawks back in the game. We're not going to outrange cryo. Cryo won't kill them, but it'll certainly hurt them. So we'll take an angle of right here. Lots of flax. Kill these kill these plasmas, and then kill the cryo. And then retreat our air. And then go ahead and kill this. Going to kill this because I don't want it popping out on splash damage and not getting killed. I've only got 5 Hellfires. I want to make sure I kill everything that pops out. Like that. Alright. At this point, you're home free. Just go ahead and kill the CC. I'm going to switch out and use a full platoon because it'll go faster. But you can see we've only lost, like 4.5 Hellfires, or 2.5 Hellfires. turret will kill you down to about 4 health bars. So again, just bring them in, aim them to the hole. And in fact, in this case, we're going to take them right through the edge of the hole in the wall, staying away from this mine here. See how you have to kind of hurt them. Alright, now they're inside. Go ahead. Target to ZC. And just wait for it to blow up.